You're out here trying to make $10,000 a fucking month, but you need to understand that the person you are right now is not gonna get there. You have to literally this person and go into the new person, create the fucking identity. It sounds crazy that I even say like this, because to other people might be like, bro, what are you talking about? This character that you guys see now, I had to create. The one that I was before was not getting me anywhere. He didn't do anything, he was lazy. So I had to think and design this person. What type of music do I listen to? What does he eat? What time does he wake up? Who does he hang around with? What the fuck does he do on a day-to-day basis? That thought will change everything, because it's just identity shift. It's your worldview, your paradigm. This person's not getting you nowhere. You gotta change to the new one. How do you change? Acquire skills. Level this character up. I used to play RuneScape. So I look at it as stats in a video game. Okay, I need to level this stat up, level this stat up. And eventually, once you level up the right stats, you'll get to whatever those stats can achieve. It's just a fucking video game. Change your identity, pick the best version, pick a good character to play, and you'll win.